I'm Dr. Kashmira. I'm a sports physiotherapist at ReLiva Physiotherapy and Rehab. TKR, Total Knee Replacement, also known as knee arthroplasty. It is a surgical procedure where weight-bearing surfaces of the knee are being replaced to relieve pain and to restore knee movements to perform daily activities. This video is a part of our video series on knee replacement recovery. In today's video, I'll be talking about physiotherapy exercises and movements which can be done after the surgery. But before we deep dive into this, it is very important for us to understand that physiotherapy plays an important role in knee replacement recovery. Knee rehab exercises helps us to learn to use our new knee to walk, to climb stairs, and to perform other activities more quickly. This may surprise you, but physiotherapy exercises can be done on the same day after the surgery. Physiotherapy exercises are designed to, first one, reduce the swelling around your knee, second, to increase the strength of your leg, third, to restore the knee movements, and fourth, to help you to walk with your new knee. In today's video, I will be explaining you demonstrating the few exercises which can be done and its benefits. The first exercise which we would be doing is ankle pumps or ankle toe movements. In this, you have to take your ankle all the way down and up. Do it for 10 times. Also see to it that your toes are moving all the way in and all the way out. This exercise helps in reducing the swelling around your lower legs. The second exercise is static quadriceps or knee squeezing exercise. In this, you have to keep a towel roll beneath your knees and squeeze your knee down. Hold this for 5 seconds and relax. Repeat this exercise for 10 times. This exercise helps in reducing the swelling around your knee and also helps in increasing the strength of your quadriceps muscles. The third exercise is static hamstrings or heel squeezing exercise. In this, you have to keep towel roll beneath your heel and squeeze it. Hold this for 5 seconds and relax. Repeat this exercise for 10 times. While doing this helps in increasing the strength around your hamstring muscles and also helps to avoid knee bending deformity. Heel slides or knee movements. In this, you have to bend your knee in such a way that it gets to 30 to 40 degrees of knee flexion and straighten it back. This exercise helps in increasing and restoring your knee movements. This exercise can be increased in ranges and it can be done after discussion with the surgeon. The last exercise is dynamic quadriceps or knee straightening exercise. This exercise can be done at the edge of the bed. But to get up and come at the edge of the bed, you have to turn yourself in the bed with your hands, put pressure and keep the transition going. Keep your legs down. The fifth exercise, like I said, is dynamic quadriceps. In this, you have to keep your spine straight, hands on the lap, straighten up your knee, hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Repeat this exercise 10 times. This exercise helps in increasing the strength of your quadriceps muscles. For any queries regarding these exercises and movements, follow our page at ReLiva Physiotherapy and Rehab on YouTube channel. Remember, good knee rehab doesn't mean only exercises. It should be how much and when. So please follow the instructions given by your physiotherapist. Now, I will be discussing the do's and don'ts after the knee replacement surgery. First, Do apply ice around your knee for at least 15 to 18 minutes 3 times a day. This will help you to relieve the pain down and also to reduce the swelling. Second, do not sit with your leg crossed. Third, do not sit on a low-lying or low-heighted chair or commode or a soft sofa, because it will be difficult for you to get up from that position because of less muscle strength. Fourth is, do not keep pillow underneath your knee. That might lead to knee bending deformity. So please remember not to keep pillow under your knee while sleeping. The next is, avoid using or kneeling on the operated leg for at least 6 months after the surgery. Last is, do use good and supportive footwear outdoors. For any queries and movements and transfer related questions, please comment below and we would be happy to answer you back. Hope this video was helpful for you. Goodbye.